This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by getting power and visibility right. Charge the headphones above 50% so pairing won't drop mid-process, then press the power button to enter standby. Once done, make sure your phone or laptop Bluetooth is turned on and set to discoverable. This is how devices exchange identification. If you want finer control later, open or install the Sony Headphones Connect app. This isn't required to pair, but it helps you update firmware and manage codecs for better audio quality. Now put the headphones into pairing mode. Hold the power or dedicated pairing button for about 7–10 seconds until the LED blinks blue or alternates colors. This signals discoverability. Next, on your phone or laptop, scan Bluetooth devices and tap the Sony model name when it appears. Pairing handshakes begin immediately. If a PIN request shows, enter 0000 or accept the prompt. Most modern devices handle it automatically. Once connected, your device will show a successful link and route audio to the headphones. Finish by verifying sound and controls. Set your preferred audio codec in the app or device settings for best quality, then play a test track and check the mic and volume buttons to confirm functionality. Make sure noise cancellation or ambient modes are set the way you want them. If something goes wrong, reset the headphones and forget the device on your phone, then retry pairing. This clears stale records that commonly block connections. If problems persist, update firmware via the Sony app to resolve known bugs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.